y'all, it's Mary and it's Mask Monday and welcome. I have on the Hydra Peptide Polypeptide Collagen Plus. This is supposed to help with wrinkles, anti-wrinkle it says. And there's 8 in this box. I just got this in my Test Tube Beauty. And this is the package. And these are the ones that I call them, they're like dry. They're on these plastic cards. They're dry on this outside, like fabric. And then they stick very, very nicely. And that is what I'm doing today. And I have a bunch of friend mail. So this is a cute, some of these cards are from channels and some are from subscribers. So I will, if they have a channel, I'll put them in the description for you to find. This one is, let's see if you can guess who that's from. That is from Miss Pinky Jean. Merry Christmas. The flamingo's making up the tree. It says, hey peep, just dropping by to wish you a flamazing and blessed holiday. Just me, Jean. And she's using the cutest ink on that to write. So that is adorable. Thank you so much, Miss Jean. And then I have a card from Renee. Renee is Beauty and More with Renee. And again, I'll put her channel below. And I cut all these open to get started. So this is very nice. This says, Merry Christmas, love Renee and Junior. And how pretty is that scenery? Look at that mountain, y'all. Renee lives in Washington, Washington State. Right, Renee? Pretty sure. Let's look at yeah, Tacoma, Washington. So how beautiful is that? Wow. Thank you so much, Renee. That's so sweet. And this one is from Alma Tyser, and Alma has a channel as well. This one has a little damage to the envelope. But let's see, there's some cute stickers on, I don't know if her address is there. Oh, she's got a P.O. box like me. So that's okay. There's something on the front of the card. Oh, okay, that is adorable. It's sort of, it says, let it snow. And these are real buttons, y'all. You can see that. They came through the envelope a little bit. And there's like a 3-dimensional scarf. Isn't that cute? Let it snow. I love, snowmen are my thing. Love it, love it. I love that card. That's so pretty, Alma. Thank you. It says, 'tis the season. Wishing you a warm and magical Christmas season. Your YouTube friend, Alma. And Alma put these stickers on here. These cute stickers decorated this up. Thank you, Alma. That's so sweet. Alma has a channel also. And I have been saying this so fast. Okay, Pinky Jean does unboxings. She has a cat. She has a cat named Coco that well, it's probably not recent anymore, but he's been a little devil in her life, as, cats are. And she does unboxings and other things. Beauty and More with Renee. Renee does unboxings and she does makeup, get ready with me, things like that. And they both do Mask Mondays as well. And then Alma doesn't do Mask Mondays, but maybe she will someday. But she does unboxings and she does some other things. She does some crafting and some like diamond paintings, and she shows us how to do that. And that's a lot of work, y'all. But she does a lot of that kind of thing. And then this is from Bonnie. And Bonnie is Bonnie's Bargains. And she has a channel as well. She does a lot of unboxings. And she does some spiritual thing, as does Pinky Jean. And she does Mask Monday as well. And this is very beautiful. It says warm wishes, and look at how pretty that is with the baby deer and her mama. Warm wishes, it says. Oh, that's pretty. It says, Bonnie's Bargains, Dear Mary, in this loveliest of seasons, may you find many reasons for happiness. Happy holidays, much love, and many blessings from Bonnie. And she sent this cute little Christmas bag. Cute little bag. You can put some goodies in. Santa on there. Thank you, Bonnie. That's so sweet. And then this one is from Susan, from Susan's Just Making It. And this has a really cute sticker on the back. The snowman. So cute. And let's open that one up and see what that one says. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at the angel on that one. Beautiful. It says, Mary, have a glorious Christmas. I hope you have a beautiful Christmas full of blessings and all the good things you deserve. Wishing you all of the best in the new year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Susan. Oh, thank you so much, Susan. That is such a pretty card. It's like frame worthy. Beautiful. It's like an old Rembrandt painting or something. It's a Hallmark card, but it doesn't say where the angel is from. Beautiful. Thank you, Susan. I'll tell y'all, I have sent out some Christmas cards, but I'm very slow about doing it, so I do apologize. Some of you will probably get your Christmas cards after Christmas by the time I get them all out. This one is not marked as to who it's from, but it's super cute. It has a snowman and a cute sticker on the front of a snowflake. And look at that pretty postage stamp, the Blue Jay. I love it. Very pretty stamp. So I don't know who this is from, so we will find out. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I love that card. This is from the Cancer Research Society. And, oh, this is from Avena. Avena is in Canada. Avena's channel is Avena's Varieties, and I'll put her in the description as well. It says, to Mary, wishing you a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. Wishing you all the wonder and magic of the holidays now and throughout the new year. Thanks for being a friend. God bless always. Love always, Avena. And she also put a really cute sticker on the inside here. And Avena has a channel. Avena is on Instagram. And her Instagram, she has a lot of followers. And her YouTube channel, she doesn't have as many followers. She's a smaller channel. So go see her. She's a super sweet lady. She does unboxing, she does makeup, and she does a lot of skincare. And she will get some really high-end products and show us. And she's just a beautiful lady. And sometimes she'll tell us about her daughter. And her daughter's a beautiful young lady as well. And I think you'll really like her channel. She does Mask Mondays, not every week, but she does them pretty often. So go see her. And then we have a card from Miss Sally Cookie, and that is, what is her name on? It's Peach Rose. I remember her as Sally Cookie. So, but Sally had some issues with her name. Somebody stole it or something on Instagram. So she is Peach Rose. So I think most people know that. But oh, this is a birthday card. It says make a wish. And it says, Dear Mary, happy birthday to you and an even happier year ahead. Love, Sally. Thank you so much, Sally. It has the cutest stickers inside, y'all. These are unicorn cats. Look how cute they are. Unicorn kitties. I love those. Thank you, Sally. That's so sweet. I love that. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And then I have a card from Ruth Simpson. Ruth Simpson is a subscriber, and she has some cute stickers on there as well. And, oops, that one's stuck in there a little bit. Oh, that's so cute. Look how cute that one is with the kitty cat and the little mouse. And it's Christmas. They have a basket of apples, and they're sitting on a horse saddle. So they're in the barn. How cute is that? That's adorable, Ruth. I love that. It says, Mary, may the smallest joys of the season bring you happiness now and in the coming year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Ruth. Thank you, Ruth. That is so cute. I love that. I love the intricacy of that. That's got a lot going on there. Thank you, thank you. And then I have a card from Stacy Notinoki. Stacy is a subscriber as well. And this is a beautiful card too. It says Merry Christmas. And there's a pretty green ribbon right here. And this is a ribbon behind here. And it is, you know, three-dimensional. Very pretty. Very pretty wreath with the pine cones. I love pine cones. Wishing you a season full of joy and happiness. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. And it's from Stacy. Thank you, Stacy. And look at the pine cone on the back there, y'all. That is so pretty. Thank y'all so much for these beautiful cards. And like I said, I'm a little behind, but that's me. That's me always, with no matter what the card is, no matter what the occasion is. I used to not be that way. I used to be the early one, but now I'm the late one. So thank you all so much for the beautiful cards. And this feels wonderful. I'm going to leave this on a little bit longer. So it's just fitting so nicely. And I like this type of mask because it doesn't fall off. So I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today. A little bit of something. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.